ISTE 3E deals with software troubleshooting connectivity. And so my administrator asked the technology coordinators to dummy down this editing teacher page PowerPoint so that our teachers would be at 100% in fulfilling their obligation of completing their teacher page for Jefferson Davis High School. So we started with select your school, go to your school and select staff. So even though the directions were here, he wanted us to put a sentence in between each one so that there would be a level of comfort when teachers completed their web page. Once on your teacher page, click at the top of the screen the correct way to put your username in and password, and how you could go about adding pictures and editing your page to include your biographies. We still didn't get 100% by the deadline date, but at least 85% of the teachers said that those sentences in between help make it more easier to add to their page and create links for their page. The hardest part was to add photos, but the majority were able to follow through with this simplified guide. And also we put it in a Word document so that we could send it to them. They could edit as needed if need be. And we also asked them to give some suggestions on how to make it easier or what could have been changed or what could we have deleted. It's a pretty lengthy document, but the feedback was good.